All right, we are back with another of my Best Buy clearance mystery items here. We have the God of War minifigures. There's your possibilities. You got Kratos. What's interesting is they all appear to have, what, 3 out of 24? Is that their odds? It's really interesting if they're all 3 out of 24. All right, so let's get them open. Oh, of course, they got little... Oh, should I have a knife? Let's see. So all the little bags. All right, so we're going to speed this up real quick. Let's get them all open first. Again, definitely want the Witch in the Woods, Atreus, and Kratos. Try to feel it. And your first one will be, it is one of the Jorn 4s, whatever. And it looks like his weapon. Okay. Pretty cool. Actually, pretty good detail in the figures for a couple bucks. Again, these are clearance out at Best Buy. I think they're actually still available at the time that I'm publishing this. Okay, which boxes? Check this mess out there. Don't give me another one of him, please. We have Atreus. Boy. Okay, so far so good. And can we get Kratos? Come on, Kratos. Oh, this one seems small. This is another Atreus. Maybe it's the blue Atreus. Oh, it is the blue Atreus. That's pretty dope. All right, so bam, there they are. Again, there's your possibilities. I'll do a little thing. So hey, not bad, right? Ordered 3 of them and got 3 different ones. Cool. Definitely like a Kratos. Maybe I'll order a couple more. But sweet. All right. So thanks guys for checking out the video. Sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you do so. Let me know if you are into these collectible little figures and what you get. Which ones are your favorite? Thanks guys.